I'm Laura, and I help people live lighter and merrier, taking one intentional step at a time. And I like to introduce yoga postures into your walk to enhance your overall wellness. Let's get started. Mountain posture you want to master before you move on, because it gives you this great alignment and great posture. So mountain pose is your feet are hip width apart, your hands are out, shoulders are relaxed. You're looking forward, your gaze is forward, your chin is up slightly, not super and not down low, just kind of in the middle. You are relaxed. Your knees are just gently like straightened but not locked. A little slight bend in the knee. Your weight is equally distributed, so we're not like slanted to one side or the other. And we're gentle, and we're going to connect with our breath. Super. You want to pull your pelvic area in so that you're not too drooped out, not too saggy. Pull it in. And there you go. You have your great posture. This is a posture that you can use in other positions, even your walking position. Try to maintain an upright and balanced posture. But additionally, I would love to show you something you can add on is your leg lifts here. This is great for balance. So you can do a set of 10 or so if you like. And then you could hold it up for a balanced posture, which again reinforces your core muscles, your posture, and now your balance, which is going to be more and more important as you age. So up on your toes, maintaining your good alignment, your gaze forwards, fixed on an object that's not moving, and you squeeze. Great. You could repeat this cycle 2 or 3 times if you like. You could hold your leg raises. You could hold that for 15 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever is possible for you, and repeat that 2 or 3 times whilst out on your walk for enhanced wellness. The idea really is to just include these little bits at a time. Every day you do a little bit on your daily walk for wellness, so that you are having this compound effect over time. You are practicing these small little increments of strength training, flexibility, balance to improve your overall wellness. Use the time that you have and the desire that you have to build in postures as you want. Thank you for joining me today.